Hey everyone, today we are going to show you our 05 and up Toyota Tacoma rock sliders. Here we have our 05 and up Toyota Tacoma rock sliders. In this video, we are showing off our 25-degree rock slider. This slider will fit very nice and tight up on the cab. With our 1 3/4 DOM tubing and 3/16 laser cut frame plates, this slider is built to take a beating. With the special design that we have, we are able to keep this slider so tight on the vehicle and not have to worry about it flexing up on the truck. You can support the entire weight of the truck on this rock slider. We offer this rock slider in a 25-degree, like you can see here, which is very tight on the vehicle and not to be used as a step, but we also offer a flattened 0-degree version, which can be used as a step. As far as coating, we have 3 options. We have a raw bare finish you can get, or we have a powder coat finish like in this here, or we have a bed liner finish to give you a nice aggressive bed liner look. Thanks for watching, everyone. To see more products like these and all of our other products for the Tacoma, check out our website in the link below or visit our channel to see more videos and install guides.